Always love when it goes the wrong way. There we go. All right, everybody. Welcome to this live recording session of the Digital Revolution with Jim Kunkel. This session is on a recording for an upcoming episode titled Hybrid Distributed Network Ecosystems. Before I get into tonight's live recording, I'd like to cover a topic that I do routinely get from time to time. Is how do I broadcast simultaneously on multiple platforms? It's real easy. I use a platform called StreamYard. StreamYard is a web-based provider that makes live streaming and audio-video recording easy. You can multi-stream up to 8 platforms, have up to 10 guests, and the ability to interact with viewers and show their comments live on the screen. Now, I highly recommend that you use StreamYard, and by using my special link that I just posted in the comments to this broadcast description, you can actually save up to 40% on your second month's $25 premium payment. So let's get into tonight's topic. Again, welcome to the Digital Revolution podcast. I'm your host, Jim Kunkel. And in this series, I'll explore the fascinating world of digital business transformation. In each episode, we'll dive deep into the latest trends, strategies, and success stories from industry leaders who have successfully navigated the digital landscape for business. From adopting cutting-edge technologies to leveraging data, analytics, and artificial intelligence, we'll uncover the secrets behind transforming traditional businesses into digital powerhouses. Whether you're a business owner, an executive, or just simply curious about the future of digital business, this vodcast is for you. And join in on interviews with experts from various industries and discuss topics such as security best practices, innovation and software development, process automation, AI-powered transformation, and industry-specific digital adoption strategies. Together, we'll unlock the potential of digital transformation and help you stay ahead in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. So please, if you could be so kind and to subscribe to the Digital Revolution channel and get ready to embark on a journey into the world of digital business transformation. If you are a subscriber, you'll never miss an episode of the Digital Revolution. Welcome to the Digital Revolution vodcast, Hybrid Distributed Network Ecosystems. Hybrid distributed ecosystems refer to a type of computing environment that combines on-premise and cloud-based infrastructure to create a unified system. This type of ecosystem is becoming increasingly popular as companies seek to take advantage of the benefits of cloud computing while still maintaining control over their data applications. Now, according to Deloitte, 97% of IT managers are planning to take a best-of-class approach by distributing workloads across 2 or more clouds to boost resilience and support regulatory requirements. The rise of hybrid distributed ecosystems adds complexity to the IT landscape, making it essentially to find a universal way of integrating and managing these environments to ensure successful digital transformation. So why is it so important to focus on network workloads? Distributing network workloads across 2 or more clouds is important for several reasons. First, it can help to increase workload reliability and availability by ensuring that some of your workloads will remain available if one of your clouds fails. Second, it can provide businesses with greater flexibility about where and how to run workloads, which can help increase agility. Next, it can help to reduce costs by allowing businesses to choose from a wider selection of cloud vendors and services, which can help them achieve the best trade-off between price and features. And importantly, it can also provide security better than public cloud infrastructure And finally, it can reduce latency by optimizing infrastructure with edge computing. Now, you might ask yourself, what is edge computing? Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the sources of data, such as the Internet of Things. These are devices or local edge servers to improve response times that can save critical bandwidth. It's an architecture rather than a specific technology, and a topology and location sensitive form of distributed computing. Edge computing is expected to provide several benefits, including faster insights, improved response times, excellent bandwidth availability, and greater flexibility about and where how to run workloads. Edge computing works by capturing and processing information close to the source of data or desired event as possible. It relies on sensors, computing devices, and machinery to collect data and feed it to edge servers or the cloud. Edge computing is a distributed computing framework that brings enterprise applications closer to the data sources, such as web-based devices or local edge servers. And this proximity to the device can really deliver stronger business benefits, including faster insights, improved response times, and, as I mentioned earlier, better bandwidth availability. To make real-time functionality possible for smart apps and internet-based sensors, edge computing solves three interrelated challenges: connecting a device to a network from a remote location, slow data processing due to network or computing limitations, and edge devices causing network bandwidth issues. Advancements in networking technologies like 5G wireless have made it possible to solve these challenges on a global and commercial scale. 5G networks can handle vast amounts of data going to and from devices and data centers in real time. Being selective about which data to include and exclude in data streams over networks is also critical to reducing latency and delivering real-time results. 5G can enhance edge computing applications by reducing latency and better application response times by improving the ability of the enterprise to collect and process data. 5G networks can handle vast amounts of data going back and forth between, again, devices and data centers, and it can also prioritize the data as well. So for edge computing and combining it with 5G, it really does create an opportunity to enhance digital experiences, improve performance, support data security, and enable continuous operation in every industry. Edge computing brings computation and data storage, again, closer to where the data is created by people, places, and also things. Now, earlier I had mentioned that the goal of a hybrid distributed network is to become a unified network. And let me expand on the topic. A hybrid distributed network can become a unified network system by using unified operations to extend a single enterprise control plane across distributed assets in hybrid, multi-cloud, and edge environments. Now, this approach provides a single view of operations across multiple cloud providers and systems using cloud-native apps, visualization, and hyper-convergence. Another way to unify a hybrid and multi-cloud environment into a single operational model is to use a complete software stack that unifies the hybrid cloud infrastructure, including compute, storage, and networking. Hypervisors and containers in public or private clouds, all with built-in resilience, self-healing, disaster recovery capabilities, and importantly, security. So there are several ways to set up a hybrid ecosystems. Depending on the specific requirements of a company, Microsoft Azure provides several hybrid options that range from virtualized hardware that hosts traditional IT apps and databases to integrated platform services solutions for on-premise, edge, and multi-cloud scenarios. And Google Cloud also provides several hybrid and multi-cloud patterns and practices that can help you choose a hybrid solution to meet a business requirement. Now, according to Boston Consulting Group, the 5 public companies in the United States, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon, are all orchestrators of digital ecosystems. This is in strong contrast with 10 years ago when Microsoft was the only digital player, along 4 physical giants, ExxonMobil, General Electric, AT&T, and Citigroup. Let's talk about the beneficial aspects of hybrid ecosystems. Hybrid ecosystems provide scalability by enabling an entity to adjusting its computing resources according to its needs. A company can scale back to the private cloud to save money during times of low demand, while using the public cloud to manage the increased load during times of high demand. Hybrid ecosystems provide businesses greater control over their network infrastructure by enabling them to choose which workloads to run on premise and which to run on the cloud. This allows businesses to maintain control over their data and applications while still taking advantages of the benefits of cloud computing. Hybrid ecosystems also provide businesses with greater flexibility about where and how to run workloads, which can help increase agility. Hybrid distributed ecosystems can reduce network latency by using constructs such as auto-scaling groups, load balancers, read replicas, API, and server caching to migrate latency. Also, auto-scaling groups allow additional computing instances to be launched as traffic increases or as policy definitions are reached, thereby creating additional capacity to handle the request. And hybrid ecosystems can also reduce latency by optimizing infrastructure, again, with edge computing. Hybrid ecosystems provide better security than cloud by allowing businesses to maintain control over their data and applications while still taking advantage of the benefits of cloud computing. Hybrid ecosystems also provide businesses with greater flexibility about where and how to run workloads, which can help increase agility. And hybrid environments can also be more secure than pure cloud or on-premise environments, which is required for businesses that provide healthcare, financial services, as well as those who work for government agencies. Hybrid approaches, while requiring more maintenance, also grant organizations more control over their interfaces and digital production. Hybrid ecosystems can be more cost-effective than public cloud infrastructure because they allow businesses to choose from a wider selection of cloud vendors and services, which can help them achieve the best trade-off between prices and features. Hybrid ecosystems also allow businesses to scale their workloads more easily than private cloud infrastructure. And as I mentioned earlier, it does provide a greater flexibility on how and where to run workloads. So hybrid ecosystems are very much focused on cost reduction and also to determination of where you want to run your services on premises or in the cloud. Well, thank you again for watching this vodcast on hybrid distributed network ecosystems. I hope that you enjoyed it and you learned something new today. Join me next time as I continue our exploration of the digital transformation and dive deeper into topics such as security best practices, innovation and software development, process automation, artificial intelligence powered transformation, and industry-specific digital adoption strategies. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Revolution channel to stay updated on the latest episodes. I greatly appreciate your support of the revolution, and I look forward to bringing you more interesting content. Okay, thank you, and please have a great evening, afternoon, morning, no matter where in the world you're coming from and watching this broadcast. Thank you.